Hi, and welcome to the Node.js Masterclass, where you will learn to build applications in raw Node.js with no frameworks, no NPM, and no external libraries. My name is Leslie, I'm a software engineer from the San Francisco Bay Area, and I'll be leading you through this course. I've had a 15-year-long career in software development, and I have helped build and launch over 55 different applications. After graduating from UCLA, I worked at multiple tech companies in San Francisco, Los Angeles, and New York City, and made my way from junior engineer to senior engineer, and most recently was the head of engineering at a startup in New York, where I used Node.js to build out their massive infrastructure of 150 Node.js microservices running in Docker containers on AWS. I have scaled Node.js applications to the millions of users and have been using Node.js in production for 5 years. Today, I run an agency called Purple, which does this: train software engineers how to make the best use of new and emerging tech stacks. Let's take a look at the Node.js docs for a second. You see all these built-in modules for their API? In this course, I'm going to teach you a little bit about all of them. At the end of the masterclass, you'll be able to open up these docs, point at a random library, and discuss what it's for and how you have used it. FS, buffer, events, readline, zlib, all these come out of the box in Node, and they are what make Node.js so powerful. They're also why I believe you don't need external libraries to build amazing applications. To get our heads around all these APIs, we are going to build 3 different applications in this course using nothing but Node's built-in modules. We're going to build a RESTful API, a web app GUI, and a command line program, a CLI. And then we're going to go back and add unit and integration testing to the applications we built. And then we're going to do some performance tuning on the applications to get them ready to scale up. But before we do any of that, in the first section of this course, we're going to discuss the history of Node.js and do a deep dive on V8 and Node.js itself, so you have a solid understanding of the runtime environment, the non-blocking I/O, and most importantly, the event loop that makes Node so special. I designed this course for the JavaScript engineer who has begun experimenting with Node, but is feeling overwhelmed by all the frameworks and NPM modules and external libraries that she needs to reference just to do a hello world.